First of all, one of the most common mistakes that people make is not prepping the skin properly. Exfoliate any oils off the skin, working into all of those areas that can be dry. Bring your product down under the jaw. And then another thing people forget to do is look after their necks. Find yourself a really good brow technician and just get that perfect brow shape for you. Bring it up to the arch where it should be more exaggerated. You want to set that with a brow gel to keep them in place. So if your eye is hooded, this is a great way to do your eyeliner. Bring it up towards the tail of the brow. If you apply all of these techniques and don't make any of these common errors, you should end up with what we have: beautiful, clean girl, natural makeup look. I always like to keep it to those 4 fundamental combinations. Once your skin is prepped, you'll find that your makeup or your foundation will go on so much better. When I apply foundation, I always make sure to work in downward strokes. Inner corner of the eye against the nose, then bring it down just underneath. Just imagining that there's a line going from the outside of the eye up to the tip or the tail of the brow. Just going to blend that shadow through the brow. From the corner, just bring the pencil in. And again, we just start in the middle, just creating a V shape. This just works so well with Quiva's skin color. So a dark lip is a little bit more high maintenance. Once you do it right and it lasts, it will look so amazing. We now have this beautiful crimson red, and you are ready for any red carpet event. I like to add a little bit just onto the eyelids as well, just for prep for the shadows. Put a line between the corner of your mouth and where you would tuck your hair behind your ear. So we're just going to imagine a line there. Before we go and blend in our contour, I'm going to add more of my cream products. Just sweep it up towards the hairline. So we're just going to add this onto the cheekbone. So once we have all of the darker color blended in, we're then just going to blend in the blush and highlighter. I'm just going to use the little detailer just to go through the brow and just bring it up towards the tail of the brow. Now we're going to use a gorgeous contrasting color. So it's an amazing way to introduce color into your existing. Blend the lash, the fake lash and the natural lash together. I'm just going to add a little bit more bronzer. So there we have it, our little introduction to adding color into your existing makeup look.